emergency action notification. Please pay attention to the following message and instructions. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Department of Homeland Security. At 1:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Strategic Air Command has spotted multiple bogies on their radars entering the atmosphere. Their locations at this time are unknown, and it is unknown if these bogies are military aircraft or extraterrestrial. Please take caution as these bogies may not be friendly. Areas that are predicted to be impacted include, but are not limited to, the following states: California, Ohio, New Mexico, Texas, Alabama, Florida, New York, and Nebraska. If you live in these states, you are advised to begin stocking up on supplies, such as a first aid kit, non-perishable food products or MREs, a battery-powered radio, water, flashlights, candles and blankets. It is important to have enough supplies to last at least 14 days. All radios and televisions will now be changed to your local news stations. It is important to stay alert and listen for any update. Stay tuned to your local news station. This is WALA 99.5. Repeating, Strategic Air Command has spotted multiple bogies on their radars entering the atmosphere. Their locations at this time are unknown, and it is unknown if these bogies are military aircraft or extraterrestrial. Please take caution, and listen to any instructions that are given to you. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. An in-shelter warning has been issued for the entire United States until further notice. All residents are urged to take shelter immediately. The bogies that were spotted on Strategic Air Command radar are now confirmed hostile extraterrestrial aircraft, and have begun a major attack on multiple U.S. cities. Cities that have received the most damage so far include the cities of Los Angeles, New York City, Boston, Miami, Detroit, and Dallas. If you live within these cities or within 1,000 miles, take shelter immediately. Gather enough supplies to last for at least 14 days, such as a first aid kit, perishable food items, MREs, flashlights, a battery-powered radio and water. Do not leave your shelter for any reason until the all-clear has been given. More cities are expected to be attacked within the next 12 hours. The President has put the military at DEFCON 5, and has scrambled military aircraft to attack these extraterrestrial aircraft. Please stay tuned to your local news station for further updates. All radios and televisions will remain on these news stations until further notice. This is WALA 99.5. Repeating, an in-shelter warning has been issued for the entire United States until further notice. Take shelter immediately.